I'm gonna put this on my YouTube videos.
No, don't do it.
Why, Mom? I'm serious, I want to put it on YouTube. Hey, honey, if you want, just throw it down on the ground from up here. It's, you know, it's going to go,
Dude, I have a heart attack. It's going to probably fall and sink into the ground about before.
Yeah, that's true. Hey, you're welcome. Hey, come up here. Were you ready to take a break?
They gotta go.
Well, just a break, you know. All right. Be quiet. I'm videotaping, Mom.
They don't have time for break yet. They gotta get down there before closing.
John. Oh, Jonathan. Oh. Let's put on Zoom. Zoom. Oh. Uh-oh. Retro. Oh, there was... Oh, I put it on too much Zoom. But look, you can see Jonathan good with that Zoom. Alright, let me take it off. But,
Stay on the road, John. Stay on the road.
yeah. He should park it over there at the next door neighbors. I'm getting Jim on there too. No. And then I'm getting John Branch on there too.
Send that to Cindy.
Yeah. Yeah. She will. No, I'm putting it on YouTube. Okay. Well.
Oh, no. You won't.
Hey, John, thanks so much for helping him.
What?
I said, thanks so much for helping him. That's John Branch, our neighbor who helps us so much with everything. That's my mom. Well, we're fixing to have a big hurricane here. Well, Category 3. Category 3. So we are packing things up and trying to move stuff. Yeah, it's been raining all day long, so it's been really hard for us to all get prepared for this Hurricane Ida. We're looking at, Mom, what is it? 120 mile per winds, 7 to 11 foot waves. Yes. All right. All right. I wonder what they're going to do that big old yacht over there. Huh. Anyways, oh. God is so good. God is so good. He is going to watch over us. All right. This has been Sheila Siebert recording Bay St. Louis, Mississippi. Over and out.